guys, welcome to SiriToyCollections. This is our new video of Audi R8 1:1 scale from Maestro. Today we are unboxing this car. Best buy links are given in below description. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get latest updates on toys of SiriToyCollections. This is such a beautiful and cool. This is a two-door car. This model car is very detailed. The tires are rubber material. Inside. Upon high-end models, this is a budget-friendly car to buy. This car cost around 3,200. You can notice the detailing. The Audi R8 is one sizzling hot sport car featuring Audi's groundbreaking technology and German engineered quality. The R8 has become a much sought after sports vehicle known for its speed and comfort. This 1:1 scale diecast Audi R8 hardtop comes in a super sporty white color with openable doors, and the interior build was excellent. And the sidelines, side mirrors. The two doors are openable, side doors, hood and trunk, and finally detailing interior V8 18 engine. A superb choice for any sport car collection and a must for Audi fans. This model car detailing was excellent. We can see Audi logo, front splitters, side blades, diffuser and rear wing. And the suspension of the car was excellent. This toy is made from a high quality die-cast metal, plastic and rubber. Also, since the detailing is authentic, this is a great collector item for as well. If you like this video, press like button below. Kindly encourage us by subscribing the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.